wait for our response.
Pakistan's retaliation was so strong, so fierce that, as always, America had to shove its nose in, rushing in to stop Pakistan to help India save face. But this isn't new. Donald Trump, just another clown in long line of them, once again trusted a terrorist state and once again got betrayed. It's no surprise, because the reality is the United States is a terrorist state itself. This wasn't a war between two nations. It was a global agenda. The world wants to disarm Pakistan, cripple our military strength, not for peace, but to create an open path for Israel to expand its borders, to shatter Iran, to suppress the Muslim world. This entire game was played to make Pakistan weak. But we didn't bend, we didn't break. We fought, and we forced our enemy to step down. In this battle, one ally stood firm by our side, a friend since the beginning, a silent power that has always helped, supported, and stood with us, no matter what. As a nation, we thank China, not just for diplomacy, not just for military balance, but for being a loyal, time-tested friend of Pakistan. In a world full of deceivers and manipulators, China has stood true. And now, as this war ends, our eyes turn again to the Middle East. The USA, UK, and Israel continue bombing, killing, and occupying. Innocent life lost, children buried under rubble, silence bought with blood. Our brothers and sisters are crying for help. We fought our war, a war forced upon us, and we emerged with dignity. Now it's time to rise for them, to raise our voices, to support our people, because silence now is betrayal. Pakistan Zindabad. United we stand, divided we fall.